Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to clear device search history on Google Play or Play Store. Alright guys, first of all, open the Google Play or Play Store on your Android device. Then you're going to tap on this profile button on the top right corner of your screen. Then select the settings option, this one. Tap on the settings option and then you're going to select the general setting, this one, and there will be several options for you, and you're going to click on account and device preference right here. Then just scroll down until you find the clear device search history. Okay, this one, you can simply tap on it to clear the device search history. Okay, then just select the clear history. Okay, and now the search history has been cleared, and that's how we can clear device search history on Play Store. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.